Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Alfa Romeo. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Alfa Romeo is a great value with less than 24,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.